Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tanya. If you are new here, welcome. So Diwali is around the corner and I thought I'd do a neutral makeup look because this look can be used for the daytime or the nighttime. So it is a very simple, easy and quick makeup tutorial, and I have used very neutral colors on my face so that it does go with any outfit that you wear. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So we're gonna start off with bare skin, and I've already prepped my skin over here. I've done my skincare, I've put on my primer, and first things first, we're gonna go in with an illuminator because we really want that shine to come through our makeup. So I'm just warming up the product on my face with my fingers, and then I will be going in with a brush just to spread the product evenly across my entire face. Now let's go in with our foundation. I'm using this one by Maybelline Fit Me. And I'm just going to add in a little darker shade because I have just come back from Goa and my skin is a little tan right now. So I'm just going to mix a little darker shade to get my exact skin tone. I'm going to use a brush to spread the product evenly across my skin. Now I'm going in with this Maybelline Loose Finishing Powder just to erase and blur out the fine lines under. Now, because this is a neutral makeup look, I'm going in with a brown liner. I don't have a brown liner, so I've just used some eyeshadow. I've wet it with some setting spray and I've just used it on my eyelids. It looks really nice. I love the shade here, and I'm using an angle brush, if you can see, just to give me that perfect winged liner. Now I'm just going to add some highlighter to the corner of my eyes so that it gives it that pop of glam and glitter, because that's what Diwali is all about. Now for my under eye, I'm also going in with a brown eyeshadow so that I get that depth and definition. And of course, let's finish off the look with some mascara for some good long lashes. Now that's one eye done. I'm just going to go and get the other eye done and I'll be back. Now for the lips, I'm going in with this dark brown lip liner just to outline my lips and give it some definition. And now I'm just going to fill in my lips with this liquid cream lip by Disguise Cosmetics. I love the formula on this. If you've watched my shorts before, you know how much I love this product. Let's use some powder bronzer to give some definition to the cheeks and the face. And of course some blush to bring out the rosiness in the cheeks. Now let's go in with some highlighter, just highlighting the highest points of our face. Let's not forget our chin, our nose, and of course above the eyebrows. And yeah guys, this is the final look. I don't usually wear Indian clothes, but this really looks good on what I'm wearing right now. So that is it for today guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do come back next time. I'll see you guys soon. Bye.